Welcome to Local Spotlight Friday, brought to you by Igvest Limited, your trusted partner in real estate. In this series, we shine a light on vibrant neighborhoods and communities, helping you discover the perfect place to call home. Today, join us as we explore the charm and allure of Parklands, Nairobi. Known for its rich cultural diversity, lush greenery, and unparalleled convenience, Parklands offers a unique blend of urban excitement and suburban tranquility. Parklands is a melting pot of cultures, where residents come together to celebrate diversity and unity. Experience the flavors, traditions, and warmth of this vibrant community. Despite its urban setting, Parklands offers plenty of greenery and open spaces for residents to relax and rejuvenate. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature right in your own backyard. Parklands is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. With its convenient location and easy access to essential amenities, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Families with children will appreciate Parklands' reputation as an education hub, providing access to top-tier schools and educational opportunities that set the foundation for success. Whether you're searching for your dream home or a lucrative investment opportunity, Parklands, Nairobi offers the perfect blend of urban convenience and suburban tranquility. Contact Igvest Limited today to explore available listings and start your journey to a life well lived in Parklands.